Hi guys, welcome to Garden Specialist channel. Today I'm going to show you my flower garden. See the petunias growing and stock flowers and many more flowers. But main attraction is petunias, and petunias are the best flowering plants, I think. uh, Basic petunias are funnel shaped, as you all know, but now hybridizers have made so many varieties, double petals and so many other types of petals, wavy petals also, and double colors, and so many colors are there, so many varieties are there, and so many colors, so many varieties, and simple and easy way they grow. Very regular watering is needed, and a fertilized soil is also needed. They need full sun. They like to grow in sun, but they can grow in partially shaded areas. But if you give them more sun, then you will get abundant blooms. And this plant is a very beautiful plant and value for money plant. You will get so many flowers out of it, that you can say it is a value for money plant, and gives a long time color to your garden. So this is a very beautiful plant to grow, and these flowers are so many and so many colors, and such a colorful garden it makes in this here in India in winter season. This is a winter flower, and it can grow up to March in India, and very beautiful. So many shades are there, and they look so amazing and so eye catching. These are petunias, are very beautiful flowers. So everybody knows this is a very common flower, but to grow from seed it is difficult. In India we grow them in September. Seeds are sown in September, late September, and they grow in they they give flower in end of January, and very good flowers they give. So many colors are there, so many varieties are there, and regular fertilizing is needed. Vermicompost, NPK, regular fertilizing and NPK solution you should give to the plant to get more flowers. And for the soil, you should give garden soil one part sand and one part fertilizer, so you will get very beautiful flowers. And these flowers, deadheading is needed. You should regularly deadhead the spent flowers, otherwise it will make seeds, and it will start making seeds, and flowers will be, quantity of flowers will get less. So you should regularly deadhead the plants and remove the spent flowers from the stalk, and then you'll get so many flowers. And you should regularly take off the spent flowers, and when you take off the spent flower from the stalk, you will get so many flowers. Otherwise flower will start making seeds, and all the energy of the plant will be for seeds, and it will they will consume energy in making seeds, and you will get less flowers. So regularly deadhead the flowers. And this plant needs regular watering, regular fertilizing, so as to give so many flowers. And this is a very good flower and common flower, but it is a very showy, vibrant, soothing and beautiful flower which everybody should add to their garden. And this how do you like my garden? Please comment.